Hi, Rupert again, the co-founder of Procurified. Just want to show you how you as a supplier can create your own quotes and send them to anyone, even outside the platform. In the previous video, I showed you where you can set up your quoting settings for your company in this little tab here. So what you then want to do is hit the drop down. You go to quotes. All of your quotes are listed here that you've created. The first thing we're going to now do is to create a blank quote. So starting on the left, these are all the details that you're going to want to publish on your quote that you send to the client. Here you can enter your customer details and or find new details and create a new customer. And then over on the right side, this is your parameters for this quote. So you have a team level set of parameters for your quote, which are defined within your profile. And then these can be changed on a quote level. You can even change the currency over there. And it's really as simple as being able to add a product as has been done here. And within adding a product, you can also add accessories or drivers. And you can add an image from here if it doesn't detect it. So you just click that little button and then you'll be able to add an image. We have nearly 1.5 million products in our database, so you are able to do this. Find the code that you are looking for, you add it, and it pulls the parameters. You literally have two fields to change, and it will flesh out the rest of the quote for you. So you put in your X works price. It's going to give you your DDP, and then you just need to change your quantity. Say we have 200 of these products. That will essentially now give you everything you need. You can see the price down there. You've already entered your terms and conditions in the previous video. And what we want to be able to do is to preview this PDF. This is where you're going to get your print page. And here is the details that you fill out for the customer will be filled out there. You can see your total listed at the top, and each item with an image is displayed for your customer. And it's simple case of just printing it, and also you can change the status of this quote in your system by printing it, and then you can just email it off as you normally would to your client. And that is how to create the quote in a nutshell. So thank you very much for listening. The next video will be about how to respond to a request you received in the platform.